Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Nagin Hussain. I did my PhD in microbiology and molecular genetics. I'm going to teach you bioethics, biosecurity and biosafety. आज हम bioethics का पहला टॉपिक करेंगे जो कि है science, ethics and values. So let's discuss what is science, what is ethics and what is values. Science basically comes from a Latin term scio, that means to know, यानी कि अपने इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ों के बारे में जानना. So science simply means the knowledge. Now keep in mind that knowledge is not only an observation and then putting it into a theoretical form, but it's a combination of observation and then carrying out different experiments so that we can increase more and more observations ताकि हम अपनी observations को बढ़ा सकें. Now keep in mind that observation and theoretical form cannot be combined together. Only observations and experiments they can be combined together. Now, different people take science in a different way. There is not a single definition of science. ज़्यादातर लोग साइंस को अपनी डेली रूटीन के मुताबिक लेते हैं. They emphasize on those aspects of science which are more prominent in their lives. Now, according to modern science, यानी कि 21वीं सदी के मुताबिक, science is an investigation of the universe by a set of methodologies like observation, experiment, conducting out hypothesis, and then testing the hypothesis. So there is lots of space in this definition, lots of variety in this definition of science. Now keep in mind that we can't ignore the importance of science in our daily life. Now, science progresses stepwise. It is not a name of a single activity or a single practice. ये कोई एक एक्टिविटी का नाम नहीं, बल्कि ये डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के साथ हम साइंटिफिक मेथड्स को कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं. So observations, experiments, they come out to know about the scientific knowledge, about the scientific understanding of the literature. This is all done by the scientific methods. So science is not a value free. We need lot of fund to improve the scientific research. Now, what is ethics? Ethics क्या है? It is mainly associated with science. इसकी सबसे बड़ी वजह ये है कि ethical issues are mainly associated with the scientific research. Now, scientists are trying to solve the ethical issues. For example, it can be an animal concern, it can be environment concern, it can be participation of human subjects, ethics related to cloning, ethics related to stem cell program. So it can be any ethical issue that can be raised by the scientific methods. Now, आजकल के साइंसदान 21वीं सदी में इन प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ताकि हर साइंटिफिक रिसर्च जो है वो आगे प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में ज़्यादा यूजफुल हो सके. Now, what is value? Value is something that worth to us, जो हमारे लिए important है. Science has entered into our daily lives. ताकि हम साइंस की जो हमारे अंदर एडवांटेजेस और चीज़ें सारी साइंस के रिलेटेड हैं उनको हम देख सकें, जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, अबाउट द जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड फूड. So proper resource allocation is very much important because it reflects what society at the time deemed to be valuable. So we can't improve the science, ethics and values. They are interconnected. When we talk about the science, we always talk about the ethical issues. And when we talk about the ethical issues, we talk about the value of the society.